All right, so today I'm on a business trip to California. It's a one-night kind of deal, and for my rental car I got a manager special, which we're about to find out what it is. It's in stall number 86. Kia EV6, I've had one of these before. I kind of like them. That's a problem. 51% battery, 99-mile range. I think I need to get a different car. Switched it up, driving a Chevy Malibu now. There are no range issues anymore. Done with my work meetings. I'm heading out to go find some place to hike and hopefully catch a good sunset. Alright, so found a little hiking trail. It's like a Hidden Falls trail, and I'm gonna check it out. There's like 11 miles or more trails here. I'm not sure I'm gonna do all that today because it's like 100 freaking degrees, but I'm gonna do something. There's supposedly a waterfall, and I'm headed to see if I can find that waterfall. So in playing with the clock here, I've got 5.5 hours of sunlight left, which it's a 3-hour drive to the coast from here. It's a lot of driving to get up for a 7 a.m. flight tomorrow. I'm kind of tempted though to go all the way to the coast, but like sunset's like 10 o'clock, which means it'd be like 1 o'clock in the morning getting back. I can't do that, but it's tempting. In the meantime, I'm just gonna enjoy this awesome trip. I'm starting to hear a waterfall down there. So there's definitely a cool little waterfall here. Comes down, goes about 15 feet down. Real rapidy, real jaggedy rocks. Cool little spot. Well, that's a cool spot, but the problem is it's at the bottom of a ravine, so now I gotta climb back out. So I just spent some time looking at the map right here. And from what I can tell, I'm like right here, these all look like they're kind of traditional, not traditional, but they're just like paved path, dirt road, like right there, right there, right there, right there. And that's a little bit better than a paved road. But I think that the rest of the trail system is going to be kind of boring, so I'm just going to head back up the hill and probably call it a day because I don't expect much from that trail. All right, so that trail turned out to be kind of a dud, but one thing that never turns out to be a dud in California is driving through the hills. Well, that was fun. The drive here is always amazing. I think for now I'm just gonna go drive around. If I see anything cool, I'll throw the video. Otherwise, this is the end. Work hard, play hard, be a big softy when you get home.